Local police said on Wednesday that 6 people, including the suspected shooter, died in a shooting at a Walmart in Chesapeake of U.S. state of Virginia late Tuesday night. At least 4 people remain hospitalized Wednesday. According to Chesapeake police, the call reporting the shooting came in at 10:12 p.m. Tuesday, triggering a large police presence outside the supermarket overnight. The Federal Bureau of Investigation's field office in Norfolk, Virginia, said it continues to assist Chesapeake police as they investigate the Walmart shooting. The shooting came a day before the United States celebrates Thanksgiving Day. U.S. President Joe Biden issued a statement on Wednesday morning, saying that because of yet another horrific and senseless act of violence, there are now even more tables across the country that will have empty seats this Thanksgiving. Tuesday's bloodshed was the latest episode of gun violence in the United States, fueling debate over tighter restrictions on gun access. According to the Gun Violence Archive, the U.S. has suffered more than 600 mass shootings so far this year.